Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now, clear one visual distraction and pick the single task that matters. Once done, set a 25-50-minute timer and write one precise outcome. This narrows attention. Make sure to put your phone out of sight or silence notifications. It reduces temptation. Take a deep diaphragmatic breath and a short stretch to signal your brain that work begins. These quick actions create the context your focus needs. They change environment and physiology together so attention can arrive. You now sustain focus by breaking the work into manageable micro-actions. Pick the next small step and start. Once done, use a 5-minute micro-check at the end of each session to review progress and adjust pace or task difficulty. If your mind wanders, label the distraction briefly and return to the immediate micro-action. That simple two-step reduces rumination. Make sure to maintain posture, sip water, and use low-level ambient sound to keep your cognitive system engaged. You finish by closing the session with a quick 3-minute summary. What you completed, the next step, and one lesson learned. This consolidates gains. Once done, set up the next session so starting is frictionless. If your focus collapses, pause and change modality for 10-15 minutes. A brief walk or drawing resets executive control. Make sure to log when you were most focused so you can recreate those conditions. If problems persist, reduce session length and rebuild consistency slowly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.